Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Savita and today's video is about Zibu symbol for relationship and love. How we can combine few Zibu symbols and improve our relation with our family members, love between married couples and between lovers. So I'll share few symbols with you and I'll also show how to use them in a very different and unique way to build a strong bond with each other. So please watch the video till the end. First symbol is unconditional love. This symbol parallels divine love and the three dots represent past, present, future or birth, life, death or body, mind and spirit. Next is universal love. This symbol brings attention. It acts as a bridge and this symbol touches our soul. Next symbol is friendship. This symbol is unity of souls. It is a connection of one another and friendship also means to share freely with love. Next is forgiveness. Forgiveness is a beautiful expression and in a relationship forgiving each other is very important and forgiveness lightens one's heart. Next symbol is for trust. Now this symbol releases the blocks and allows inward movement of love. In every relation, trust is an important factor. Next symbol is honesty. This symbol is a reminder to be honest with each other and with ourselves. And honesty is important in relationship to grow. And the next symbol is for happiness. And happiness comes from heart. It is shared in relation. It is a symbol of positivity and it brings happiness in every relation that we have. Next is unity. Now this symbol brings everyone together. It is a symbol of connection. So if you are separated or in a broken relationship, then this symbol helps to unite and build a strong bond. Another important symbol is healing symbol. This is a very powerful symbol and this helps to heal a broken relation. It helps to heal you from your heart, all the pain. Okay. The last symbol is blessings symbol. This symbol will bless your relationship and blessing is required for everyone. Now how we will use it? You will have to draw this symbol in two papers, in two separate papers. Okay. And you will take one paper and you will write your wish in it. Whatever you want in your relationship to be, you will write your wish in this. Okay. Now if you are doing this for your family, then you will take your family photograph and you will keep this one symbol paper and then you will keep your wish. You will keep your family photograph over it and then you will keep this other symbol paper facing like this. Okay. And if you are doing for a couple, then you will take the symbol paper one, you will write your wish again, you will keep your photo or your husband or wife's photo and then the other photo you will keep it like this facing. Okay. And on that you will again keep the other symbol paper and you have to keep this in a place where it is not disturbed or touched again and again. You do not have to open it. You can keep it in your cupboard, okay, or in an envelope without moving it. Another way which you can use it is you can take the photograph and draw the symbol on it at the back of it and keep it in the photo frame, or you can take the photograph, keep your wish and then take this symbol paper and keep it at the back and then put it in the photo frame. Okay, you can do it like this also. If you are doing for couple, then you have to, the photograph has to be together in one frame. Okay. And you can also watch my earlier video on how to use Zibu symbols. And any doubt, please write it in the comment section. And for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you all.